The parametric equations of a curve are x equal to t square plus 1, y equal to 4t plus ln 2t minus 1. Express dy by dx in terms of t. See man, here what do you need to find dy by dx? And the change here is x and y are present in terms of another variable t. Clear? X and y are present in terms of some other variable t. In this sort of cases, what do we do is, for dy by dx, I take dy by dt by dx by dt. Anyhow, these two are same. And how come they are same means, if I cancel dt, I get dy by dx back. Clear? Whenever x and y are in terms of some other variable, this is how we do the change to dy by dx. Now, find dy by dt, place it here. Find dy by dx by dt, keep it here, simplify. Clear? So, first let us find dy by dt. For that, y equal to 4t plus ln 2t minus 1. Now, I want to get dy by dt. To get dy by dt, I should take differentiation on both sides. What do I mean is, take d by dt on both sides. Now, here no change, so as it is I write, and over here apply this to this one and also to this one. So what do I get? D by dt of 4t plus d by dt of ln 2t minus 1 equal to, now see here, the 4 will not play any part in differentiation, it will come out and dt gets cancelled, so you are left with 4. And over here, what formula will you make use of is d by dx of ln x is 1 by x. Here in place of x, you have 2t minus 1. So this will become 1 by 2t minus 1. Do not forget the good practice. To the answer, multiply the derivative of, in place of x, whatever you have, 2t minus 1. Many forget this, you should not forget. Okay, next. So this is 4 plus 1 by 2t minus 1 into d by dt of 2t minus 1. How do you get? Apply this to this one. When you apply 2 comes out, you get d by dt of t. It cancel out 2. When this applied onto 1, it is 0. So you are left with 2. So you get 4 plus 2 by 2t minus 1. Let us simplify it further more. What if I take LCM? Now the LCM will be 2t minus 1. So now 1 should become 2t minus 1, means multiply denominator and numerator with 2t minus 1. So this is 4 times of 2t minus 1. And here you don't need to multiply. So plus 2. So that is equal to 8t minus 4 plus 2 by 2t minus 1. So 8t minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 by 2t minus 1. So this is for dy by dt. Okay. Next, let us get dx by dt. For that, x equal to t square plus 1. Now to get dx by dt, we have to differentiate on both sides. Apply differentiation on both sides. That is, take d by dt on both sides. So here dx by dt will remain, it will not undergo any change. Over here, apply this onto t square, you will get 2t. Apply this onto 1, you get 0. Thus dx by dt we got it to be 2t. So this is dy by dt. Let us replace dy by dt and dx by dt over here. First, dy by dt is 8t minus 2 by 2t minus 1 and dx by dt is 2t. Now the question is, where will this 2t go? See man, if you take by 1, then it will be of the form a by b by c by d. In this case you get a by b, when c by d comes up, it will get reciprocal. So the same thing here. You get 8t minus 2 by 2t minus 1 into 1 by 2t. Reciprocal this one. Okay. Now let us simplify. And how can I simplify means? I can take 2 common over here. So I get 4t minus 1. And in the denominator 2t minus 1 times 2t. Now, what gets cancelled? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you are left with 4t minus 1 by t times of 2t minus 1. So this is dy by dx in terms of t. Okay.